Today we are going to strip 16 gauge primary wire. We chose the color pink. And then we are going to connect a 1416 ring terminal to the end of it and crimp that. We're going to show how to do it correctly, and we're going to show how to do it incorrectly. Okay, so we're going to take the wire, and everything on here is marked. You have your cutting side and you have your crimping side. So this is 16 gauge primary wire. We're going to go down to the 16 gauge. Just take a little piece off the top, the same size as what you're going to connect to. Wiggle it a little bit. I like to pull mine off. So go in and pull it off, and then I twist it just to give it, I don't know, a cleaner fit. And slide it on, and you can see that it's almost perfect. Now there's a slit right here, a seam. You don't want to crimp on that. You want to crimp on the back, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Again, find 16 on here, stick it in that, squeeze really hard, and you'll see the dimple right there. Now if you would have squeezed on the other side on that seam, that dimple would have spread that seam, and you don't want that. So that's the correct way to crimp a crimp. Now we're going to show you how to crimp it incorrectly. The incorrect way to crimp. Get your size, squeeze it, roll it, clear it, twist it if you want. I purposefully made that too big because I just wanted to show you. It would go too far up towards the ring. And that seam right there, find your mark. I'm putting it in backwards. I'm putting it right on the seam. Squeeze it just like you would if you were doing it correctly. And there's the incorrect crimp.